congestion and the roads are treated.
They've got their priorities as far as budget goes.
Mason. Good, how are you? Yes, it seems to be working great today. I haven't seen any puddles this morning. Yes, yes indeed. Sorry about that. Okay, so what do we need to do? Okay. I think they can. Okay. I got their number. Yeah. Yeah, I can Google it. Yeah. Okay. I was actually thinking about calling you guys this week and asking you how that worked. Like, so that works. Yep. Right. Okay. Sounds good. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Like, yeah, like what's it like to live there?
Cold.
Right.
Dry.
Yeah.
Loud.
Wow. There was a movie that came out like in the late 70s about a group that lived there at a station. Forgot the name of it. How many people lived in the station, or?
So I was there in the winter, so there was only 139.
Wow, how big is the facility?
I don't know. I mean, I honestly don't know. But in the summer, it's like 900. But McMurdo's kind of like the hub station for all the other countries.
Yeah. So
they all kind of like fly in McMurdo and then go off to their sides, to their bases.
Yeah.
So it can fluctuate up to 1,300 at any one time. Usually it's around 900 in the summer.
Okay. Is there any light, or how many light? Is it like Alaska where you only get a couple hours of light, or?
So Antarctica has, they call it like one sunrise and one sunset a year. So it'll be dark for like 4 months, solid darkness, no sun period for 4 months. And then it'll be like 2 months of sunrise, and then 4 months of just sun, and then 2 months of sunset. So I arrived June. So I arrived like June 1st. So the plane touched down in pitch dark.
Oh.
And then I didn't see sun until August sometime.
Like, how is it powered? Like nuclear power, coal power, like the station? Like
there's a power plant. I honestly don't remember what the fuel for it is.
You ever have a situation where the lights go off, or there's some sort of maintenance issue?
There's 6 generators or something like that, and they're all constantly backing each other up. And our power plant mechanics are fantastic.
Wow.
If a generator goes down, they just switch to the next one, and there's always redundancy.
Were you at any moment like in the atmosphere, or did you go directly from the plane to the station?
What do you mean in the atmosphere?
Like tunneled in? Like, did you experience the cold of the weather?
Well, yeah, I was outside every day. I mean,
every day?
Well, yeah.
How cold is it?
I think average was like -20. But
that's it?
It dropped down to like -40.
That's all?
At least weekly. And
there's places in Siberia it's -60.
Yeah.
People live there.
With wind chill, sometimes it would be like -75, -80. But I was McMurdo's on the coast of Antarctica, so it's not as cold as like South Pole Station.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, you're outside every day. You got to walk to work between buildings, and you're out. You're between buildings every day. It kind of looks like what you would imagine like a small like mining town to look like. That's kind of the aesthetic. Everything's metal boxes and no architectural value.
So there's no incidents of like people going crazy, like everybody's like before they get admitted, like they have a psychological test.
No,
like
there's
before
no psychological test anymore for McMurdo Station.
Yeah.
But no, I mean, they still interview you like a normal, job interview. Right. You go through all this process. So no, there's no incidents of like anything like that when I was there. Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing crazy or exciting.
It's not only the weather.
One girl threw some marshmallows or ice cubes or something and got sent home. That's about it.
That's it. Okay. It's not only that, but like claustrophobic, like what I'm doing right now, like being cooped up.
But you're not cooped up. You can walk around station. You can go hiking. You can go. You don't have to stay inside one building all day every day. You can walk around and go out and explore and see the place, see the world.
Dumb question. There's no internet, obviously, in the station.
There is.
Wow, you can get internet.
This is like 2018. There's internet.
Wow.
It's not very good internet, but
not very
there.
good.
Yeah.
Right. I didn't know the satellites. I don't know how they work.
Yep, it's satellite.
The edge of the world planet. Wow. Yeah, cell phone. What about making calls?
No cell phone towers. There are landline phones, and they use the military's phone system, so you can call out and call anyone in the U.S. that you want.